Hello everyone. Today's date is 1st of December 2021. Our today's video topic is sorting techniques in Java with the time and space complexity. So my name is Akash Babar. Let's discuss our today's video topic. So what is meant by sorting? Sorting is a technique in which we sort the array with the ascending or descending order. In sorting technique, in today's video we will discuss how space complexity and time complexity is achieved. So in what is meant by firstly we will discuss what is meant by space complexity, then we will discuss what is meant by time complexity. So what is meant by space complexity? It means amount of memory allocates for iteration, or amount of memory allocates for variables. So that is called as space complexity. Space complexity is actually space acquired in the heap memory or stack memory. So what is meant by time complexity? Time complexity means amount of iteration number of iterations to run a certain program is called as time complexity. So then we will discuss what are the various types of sortings. First one is bubble sort. So in bubble sort, two adjacent elements are compared with each other, and then if we are sorting in ascending order, then if first two elements adjacent elements compared with each other, and if second element is smallest than first, then it is replaced with second element. So that is called as bubble sort. So in bubble sort, time and space complexity is worst. It is better when array is already sorted, then time and space complexity is good. And if it is in reverse direction or in descending order, at that time and space complexity is worst. So then we will discuss what is meant by insertion sort. So insertion sort is the technique in which firstly we will find or compare the elements and replace at the certain position. So that is called as insertion sort. Then we will discuss what is meant by what is the next sorting technique, that is selection sort. In selection sort, firstly smallest element among the array is identified. That smallest element is placed in first space. Then we will find second smallest element, and that is placed next to that smallest element. So that is called as selection sort. So all these sorting techniques have certain space and time complexity. So that's all for today. Thank you.